Do I have to do a video today? I'm already in a bad mood as it is. No. Nate, this is the life you chose. You know what you have to do. You gotta do this. Alright. Let's get this show on the road. You know what? No. I gotta look the part. Give me 1 second. Yeah, that's better. There we go. Oh my gosh. Alright. The Cleveland football team loses 41-32 to the Denver Broncos. I'll take interesting football scores for 500, Alex. 41-32. Believe it or not, that is not the only time that the NFL has had a final score of 41-32 in a game. It's the second time the NFL has had that final score. So, the game is not special because of its score. What is special is that Jameis Winston set the Browns' all-time record for most passing yards in a game with 497, and Jerry Jeudy set the all-time record for most receiving yards against a former team. So Jerry Jeudy had set the all-time record for most receiving yards against the team that employed him the prior year, which is awesome and hilarious, and there was beautiful karma coming from him to the Broncos. It was beautiful to watch. And the Cleveland football team, in its wonderful genius, lost the game anyway. And at this point, I am tired of defending this garbage. I mean, look at me. Do you think I'm in a state to defend this? No. I'm already in a terrible mood because I spent my weekend screaming at a bunch of nuts in Columbus, and then today I had to watch this game, if you can call it that, this Big 12 style, no defense allowed, with a side of ref ball mixed in. That was a helmet-to-helmet hit on Jameis Winston that didn't get called, but that's not how he lost. I'm tired of defending this. I mean, woohoo, the scram for Cam is back on. You're 3-9 now, cool. I'm tired of this, dude. Get better. Get good. Are you content with 31 other professional football teams bullying you on an annual basis? If you are, then you're more than welcome to continue playing at a 4-13 or 5-12 rate every year. And I think as long as Jimmy Haslam's calling the shots, that's probably what we're going to be. Oof, my own. We set a franchise record for most passing yards in a game, and Jerry Jeudy actually got pretty close to setting the franchise record for most receiving yards in a game, and we didn't even lose by one possession. We lost by 9 points. That's 2 possessions that we lost by. Cheering for this team, I feel like I'm putting an increasing amount of weight upon my back just by cheering for this dog pile. Pun absolutely intended and deserved. What the heck? And yet somehow, with the Browns losing this game, the main emotion I felt when Jameis Winston threw the second pick six was not anger, wasn't sadness, wasn't even sarcastic laughter. It was relief. Because this team needs to lose. The scram for Cam needs to happen. But having hope for this team is hard. Having hope for Ohio State is hard. Heck, we can branch out further. Let's do it. Having hope for the Cleveland baseball team, whatever you want to call them, that's hard. Having hope for the Cavs is a little bit easier, but we're not the Celtics. I mean, we beat them, which is kind of nice, but we don't have 18 championships. And the Browns are the creme de la creme of garbage. And the nuts in Columbus do a good job of making me strain my vocal cords every now and again. I can't say I'm thrilled. So until something changes, I'm probably going to keep looking like this for a while to come. I am tired, I'm upset, and I'm over this garbage. So until next time, I'm going to continue to be a sad Browns fan, and I'm going to bed. Ow.